Hi, this is Jebb Adams. I'm here in the studio with the Singer 201K. This 201K was built in Kilbowie, Scotland in an allotment that was ordered on May 3rd, 1950. An allotment of 80,000 serial numbers, 80,000 machines. I can't find any other information that gets any more specific as to the manufacturer of this actual serial number. However, it is unusual and different, and maybe even slightly or somewhat rare. There are some indications that it may be quite. There is a screw here. That screw there is just to support the top of this plate. But this screw is what actually allows it to be released. And then it's just lifted up and off it comes. And there we see the wonderful, that was new to me or somewhat unusual is this. Dun, da, da, da. Take a bow. Look what this says. Do you know what it says? Let's get in here a little closer. It says Singer Cabinet 43. Singer Cabinet 43. And then it tells you about the controller number. The controller that it came with to power the machine. 0.7 amp power, 95 to 145 volts DC and 25 to 75 cycles. St. John's, Province, Quebec, PQ, made in Canada, CSA, blah, blah, blah. So, and then it has a number. So, what this tells me is that it was built in Scotland, just the machine. It was shipped over to St. John's, Province of Quebec, Canada, whenever, and it had the electric motor, the electricals applied, and it was given a cabinet. So that is where we're at with that. We're gonna get this thing here, and I really am, even though it's kind of harmless. The other thing I'm gonna put in there is, this is the screw for the cover for up there. Let's zoom this up here a little bit for now and zoom out a bit. I don't want to look at that light. I start feeling guilty every time. There we go. There, so let me get my gloves on. I keep on threatening to put my gloves on, and I'm going to do it this time. We've been here 10 minutes already. But I'm glad that we got the drawer in there, the sewing desk drawer, the sewing cabinet drawer with that label. There may be a label inside the motor. The other thing that is, the other thing that is really different about 201Ks is they don't have a potted motor like the 201s, like the regular North American or American 201s do. What else did I want to put in there? I also wanted to put in the foot. And let's take this brush and let me just, and this side I haven't even put in, it was up in the air and it's already coming off just with an application. That was quick. Let's go on the other side. See, it was kind of tarnished on this side, so I thought if I put it in, if I could have got away with making it look absolutely 100% without crud cutter, I would. Not because I don't believe in crud cutter, and I am comfortable using it, but it's just an extra step. If you can just take oil and failing that, soap and water, and failing that, crud cutter. So I'm pretty sure I'm happy with this. There's nothing this doesn't really affect the performance of the machine or the quality of the stitch. So I'm glad that, that's foremost too. A happy stitch is a happy sewer. If you got a happy stitch, you got a happy sewer. So I'm going to go and rinse that off right now.